We're heading down to the boat for our boat trip. It's blue and it's white. We're starting out. Let's see if we see anything. You never know. There's always hope, which is what we have in our group here. So this is the Gaffer 3 Northland Discovery Boat Tours here. Okay, gotta walk down the old boardwalk here. Give you a shot before you go up there. All right. Watch your step here.
Yeah, watch your step. It is fully done.
All right. We got music on board too. All right, here we go. There's our boat. This is the inside of the boat. We got the controls right here. And might even be able to walk out in front there. I don't know. So yeah. There we go. We're all getting on board. Right here. On the boat. I'm not going to be the captain of this boat. But you never know. Something happens, I could always take over if necessary. Alright.
It doesn't anymore.
Taking off.
So it is a milder winter. I actually find it harder because of the rain and the ice. It's harder to do the things I love to do, which is skiing, snowshoeing, and outdoor activities. So
we're up here. Going out on the boat. I'm up at the top. Now at the top up here.
Yeah, exactly. So it's not a
heading
pleasant
out looking
winter.
for whales. I don't know if we're going to see any.
Now that being said, we could have another winter where we get a lot of storms.
So
there has been times here where there's a
great unknown
village just north.
Well, there's a place where we had lunch just now, right up there where I was walking around. So we're going to go right by it again.
Because of the temperature today.
Well, we're still looking for the whales here. We're on the boat and haven't found any yet, but we hope to find some pretty soon. I had to change the batteries in the old GoPro and we're slowing down. We're getting a little close to some rocks and stones here, so we might take a little look at that. But always looking for subscribers. Thank you very much for viewing. Captain Ed signing off. All right, bye-bye. Sea cave. Look at the water. It's a little bluish aquamarine color. It's a pretty big sea cave here.
And he thought, well, that's all right.
Yeah, look at that.
He'll notice I'm missing.
Yeah, another little crag over here.
So we waited.
There you go. Look at the sea cave.
There was a couple men that had gotten up to do some sealing, and they were out looking for seals, and they used to call him the good doctor. They said, my God, the good doctor is on there, because he had unfortunately to kill a couple of his dogs to survive from the wind. So he used one of them as a flag, and they called up somebody and said, we need to go out and get the good doctor. So they did manage to actually save him. But that's one of the stories about Dr. Grenfell. I'm really happy to hear that you guys are going over there, because it's a wonderful story. Plus you also will see his house, which is an absolutely beautiful building.
It's part of a whale baleen in their mouth where they filter out everything, squeeze their tongue up against it somehow or other here. But all these little fine fibers here that you can see on here. This is actually part of a whale here. Yes, indeed. There you go. See all different layers in there too. All right, we're going to pass this on here. Okay, here we go. So I just missed it. The foghorn sounded. It was coming right over that point over there. And that's where we had lunch, up there in the souvenir shop. The lighthouse and the foghorn is right sitting on the rocks just below the lighthouse there. It just sounded. So I don't know what the interval is for it to sound. See if we get it a second time. I don't know. And I don't know if it senses when there's movement of a boat out here that it sounds. or whatnot, or if somebody here on the boat can send a signal to make it sound like we used to do at airports at home. We could turn the lights on at the airport from the plane that I'm flying in. So there it is, you just heard it. There we go, we heard the foghorn. All right, not too much fog here. It's pretty clear visibility for an overcast day and humid. It's not cold, it's a little breezy here. But yeah, there we go. That's where we had lunch and everything there. Well, I think the foghorn sounds about every minute, and it's about every 55 seconds it seems like. Maybe a minute, I'm not timing real accurate, but it seems like every 55 seconds. Coming from right over there, where you see the buildings there. Okay, it's coming up here in a few seconds here. Here we go. There it is. Okay, we have landed here. We got ropes going up there, getting tied up. Our chariot awaits us up the top of the hill there. So Brendan is on the ball there, taking care of us, pulling the back end in there, right up, so we can hop off. The temperature's pleasant here. A little bit of a breeze, not too bad. Sun trying to peek out there, but got a little bit there, so. All right. We got it all tied off there, so looks like you're doing pretty good here. Okay, we can hop on off here, I guess.